tower, Southwest 5193, on visual 12 right.
Southwest 5193, Minneapolis Tower, wind 0408, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Cleared land 12 right, Southwest 5193. Tiger, after you Delta 2596, visual 12 left, run 3 right.
Delta 2596, Minneapolis Tower, wind 0309er, runway 12 right, clear to land, traffic 4 miles final.
Clear to land 12 right, Delta 2596. Secondary 104, 12 right.
Secondary 104, Minneapolis Tower, wind 0609er, runway 12 right, clear to land, traffic 5 mile final.
Direct clear to land, secondary 104. Howdy, Benny, Sarah, Frontier Flight 4616, visual 12 right.
Frontier 4616, Minneapolis Tower, wind 050 at 5, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 12 right, Frontier Flight 4616.
Tower afternoon, Delta 413, 10 mile final, visual 12 right.
Delta 413, Minneapolis Tower, wind 0608, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear land, Delta 413.
United 732, Minneapolis Tower, traffic 3 mile final, wind 0808, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Time is traffic, clear to land 12 right, United 732.
United 732 is going to be a right turn out, but you've got Whiskey 5, turn right there and join Whiskey, all clear.
Right turn out, Whiskey 5, and then right, United 732. Tower, good afternoon, Horizon 2212 on the visual 12 right.
Horizon 2212, Minneapolis Tower, wind 0609er, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, Horizon 2212.
Sun Country 8684 inside Kim's, 12 right.
Security 8684, Minneapolis Tower, wind 090 at 9er, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 12 right, Sun Country 8684.
Tower, good afternoon. FedEx 383 Heavy is on the visual, 12 right.
FedEx 383 Heavy, Minneapolis Tower, wind 100 at 10, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 12 right. FedEx 383 Heavy. Tower, Delta 152 Heavy, ready to land.
Delta 152 Heavy, Minneapolis Tower, runway 12 right, land away, traffic outside.
12 right, land away, Delta 152 Heavy.
FedEx 383 Heavy, turn right, join Whiskey, contact ground point 9.
Right turn, join Whiskey and point 9er, FedEx 383 Heavy.
Delta 152 Heavy, turn left heading 105, runway 12 right, clear for takeoff.
Left turn heading 105, 12 right, cleared for takeoff, Delta 152 Heavy.
Security 8167, Minneapolis Tower, wind 090 at 9er, caution wake turbulence, departing heavy Airbus, and also a previous arrival was a 767. Runway 12 right, you're clear to land.
Roger, 12 right, clear to land. Security 8167. Delta 872, 8 out for 12 right.
Delta 872, Minneapolis Tower, wind 080 at 11, gust 19er, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 12 right, Delta 872. Tower, good afternoon, that's 1279, Kim's, 12 right.
That's 1279, Minneapolis Tower, the wind is 0011, gust 19er, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, 1279. Good afternoon, Condor 2010 Heavy, established 12 right.
Condor 2010 Heavy, Minneapolis Tower, the wind 070 at 7, gust 19er, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear land, 12 right, Condor 2010. Good afternoon, Southwest 2872 is visual 12 right.
2872, Minneapolis Tower, the wind is 090 at 6, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, Southwest 2872.
1161 visual 12 right.
Delta 1161, runway 12 right, clear to land the wind 0806.
Clear to land 12 right, Delta 1161.
So 2872, turn right when you're able, contact ground point 9er.
Alright, we're going to go down to Wisdom 3 for the Candy Striper.
Roger.
Tower Delta 2433 visual 12 right.
Delta 2433, Minneapolis Tower wind 006, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear and land, 12 right, Delta 2433.
Good afternoon, Delta 897, 9 miles left.
897, Minneapolis Tower, the wind 005, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, Delta 897. Good afternoon, Air France 634, heavy approaching 9 miles on 12 right.
Air France 634 Heavy, Minneapolis Tower, the wind 0606, runway 12 right, clear to land. Say the gate number, please.
Tesla 12 right, Golf 4 Alpha, Air France 634.
Golf 4, roger. Plan a right-hand turn off the runway.
Right hand turn of the runway, Air France 634. Start up post 76 can for 12 right.
Go 3838, or sorry, Delta 1276, Minneapolis Tower, runway 12 right, clear to land the wind 0608.
Clear to land 12 right, Delta 1276.
Go 3838, Minneapolis Tower, the wind is 0607, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 12 right, goes 3838.
Delta 1565, visual 12 right.
1565, Minneapolis Tower, the wind's variable at 5, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, Delta 1565.
Secondary 1654, Minneapolis area.
Air Tower, Secondary 1654, 12 right.
Secondary 1654, the wind 0405, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, Secondary 1654.
Delta 1573, visual 12 right.
Delta 1573, Minneapolis, Charlie, winds variable 4, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 12 right, Delta 15.
Delta 1379, good over Kim.
Delta 1379, Minneapolis Tower, runway 12 right, clear to land, the wind variable 3.
Clear to land 12 right, Delta 1379.
Delta 2653 approaching Zesty, minus 212 right.
Delta 2653, Minneapolis Tower, wind variable 3, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Runway 12 right, clear to land, Delta 2653.
Delta 852, visual 12 right.
Okay, Delta 852, Minneapolis Tower, wind 0305, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 12 right, Delta 852.
Got 3932, the wind is 0504, runway 12 right, clear to land.
That 12 right, 3932. Visual 1
2118, Minneapolis Tower, runway 12 right, clear to land, the wind is 0405.
Clear to land 12 right, Delta 7
Delta 10 Heavy, Alpha 3, cross runway 12 right, taxi to Whiskey, traffic on a 4 mile final.
That's 12 right, cross Alpha 3 and join Whiskey, Delta 10 heavy.
Good afternoon, Tower, EPS 560 heavy, visual approach, runway 12 right.
UPS 560 Heavy, Minneapolis Tower, the wind is 0407, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Runway 12 right, clear to land, EPS 560 heavy.
Delta 2540, Minneapolis Tower, runway 12 right, clear to land, the wind 05011, gust 14.
Clear to land 12 right, Delta 2540.
Delta 2540, go around, fly runway heading, climb, maintain 3000.
Runway heading 3000, 2540.
Delta 10 Heavy, fly heading 100, runway 12 right, clear for takeoff.
100 heading, clear for takeoff. 12 right, Delta 10.
Tower, visual 12 right.
Delta 2220, Minneapolis Tower, runway 12 right, clear to land, the wind 05011, gust 14.
Roger, Eric, command 12 right. visual approach, runway 12 right.
1206 Minneapolis, Tower, the wind 050 9er, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land over 206.
Delta 160 heavy, the wind is 0508, gust 17 flag runway heading runway 12 right, clear for takeoff.
Oh, heading 12 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 160 heavy.
Up 2540 Minneapolis Tower, caution wing turbulence, heavy, will hold in position. Runway 12 right, clear to land, the wind 0508, gust 17.
12 right, clear to land, Delta 2540. Delta 170 heavy is 6 miles from Kent on the visual 12 right, gate 3, request exit Whiskey 3.
Delta 170 heavy, understand Golf 3, you want to go down to Whiskey 3, it'll be a right hand turn off no matter what, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, Delta 170.
Turbulence 6 and trail of the heavy Airbus 350, wind is 040 at 9er, runway 12 right, clear land.
12 right, clear landing, caution wind turbulence, 467. Delta 1724 inbound, visual approach 121.
1724 Minneapolis Tower, wind 020 at 8, runway 12 right, clear land.
12 right, clear to land, Delta 1724.
American 2140 Minneapolis Tower, wind is 060 at 9er, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, American 2140.
Back 715 heavy Minneapolis Tower, wind 060 at 8, runway 12 right, clear to land. Delta 474
Minneapolis Tower, wind is 030 at 10, gust 19er, fly runway heading, runway 12 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway heading 12 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 474.
Minneapolis Delta 1331.
Climb 17.
Delta 1331, Minneapolis Tower, wind is 040 at 9er, gust 19er, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, Delta 1331.
Tower, 657, visual approach, runway 12 right.
That's 657, Minneapolis Tower, wind 0507, runway 12 right, clear to land.
The last 12 right, I
So 1174, Minneapolis Tower, cut 6 mile final, runway 12 right, line of point.
Delta 1174, line point, 12 right.
So 1174, fly runway heading, runway 12 right, clear for takeoff.
Let's take off on the runway 12 right. Runway.
Delta 33, Minneapolis Tower, number 2, 10611, runway 12 right, clear to land.